Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this quick vlog, my cousins and I traveled to Siargao, the surfing capital of the Philippines. Alright, let's do this. Let's do this. You good, bro? Huh? Interesting. Ooh, specialty coffee, homemade goods. Ooh. That. Oh, here, we're gonna have parking. Alright. Let's go.
The filmers, yeah.
Oh, this is cute. Where do you think I could park here? I don't know where to park either. Let's go this side, yeah. We'll just park here behind that thing. Alright.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, welcome. Man. Forward.
Okay na daw.
You okay back there?
No.
What happened? Did it lock? It did not lock. Are you gonna let them know that we're here? That we just parked it? This is great. Love it. Oh, we can both have a look on there, right? Yeah.
Sige na yung pera mo.
Oh, true. Init. So init. Init. Oh. Oh my lord. Alright, let's wait for Barbara.
Find the
It's hot. Let's just wait for Barbara here. Oh, it looks like it's gonna fall, man. Very good. Very proud of you. Oh wait, I need to get this. Yeah. I totally forgot to vlog. Oh my god.
May sa kabila.
Huh? Is it kabila? Oh, it's only like 3 of us.
Okay.
Okay, let's do it.
Cheers and
I got gnocchi. This looks like yakisoba. 1 lumpia and then some shrimp.
egg.
Egg. What the hell is that?
Chicken? I don't know.
Oh, nice. Shut up. Alright, so we're here at, what's this, a little kubo at the Airbnb?
Kinda.
Yeah, we can't go inside the Airbnb yet because we have to wait until 2. And it's currently 12 o'clock. Yeah. It's really worth it to get a car because it's so fucking hot. B-roll.
Wait. Init.
Oh. Oh, and our water bottles. Thank you. Ooh. Cool. That's even like a little loft. Thank you, po.
Thank you.
Oh, cute. Oh.
Cute, parang payag-payag.
Matulungan sa baba pa.
It's like a little loft thing situation up there. At least there's aircon, thank the Lord. What's in there? What's in there? What's in there? Oh.
Shower and pooping. Pwede magkaiba ang shower at pooping.
Oh, nice, nice,
Oh,
nice.
very good. So I can poop?
Someone's showering. Yeah. Wow. Well, it's nice.
Okay, I'll flip here.
Melted pan ko. This is actually good for 6 persons.
Oh.
You want to stay here?
Oh, this is nice.
Siargao, they have
Sige.
Kahit saan lang.
Oh. Maybe downstairs
Blit
naman.
sa ito karoon. Baba.
Oh. It's a little...
May sticker ba nga? Oh. Music by Alexa. Ikaw yun.
Video kita.
Anong wifi din?
Oh, later. Oh, that one has a damage. That's nice.
Destination is on the right.
Welcome to Mountain View. This one. We got Buko.
Technically, wouldn't the other one
Let's park the car.
Oh. Bro, the other side's better because of the sunset.
I know, but this one's good as well.
Yeah, this one's like wide.
Yeah.
This one. Ah.
That's it. Really the best one. The best one is in Katangnan Bridge. Para kayo. Didn't expect this a lot of people.
Kami normal to di mata kay motor.
What do you feel like?
Ay, Brad, mo ko ko. Hindi ako.
Ilong. Ang manok. Na isa lang.
I always have sweat there.
Oh, yeah.
Ano eh?
Oh, longganisa po.
Hotdog?
Chorizo po.
Ilan?
Gawa.
Without log? Tapos dito isa sa kanya.
Ako.
Mama.
Ha?
Init po ano, tinidor pa may. Meron ha? Tinidor na lang mainit.
Sige.
Yan pa tinidor.
Ay, puta.
Tinidor. Init? Kainit kayo oy.
Medyo. I got it.
Isa pa. Tinidor.
I got it from here.
Hello. No. It's the boardwalk over there. What do you mean?
All the surfers. Under there. Is there a rash
Well,
guard?
it's really cool there.
Oh. I will. A little bit, yeah. Cold.
Oh. Balinsay na ta diri ba?
My slippers is slippery.
Red. Trying to hit the brakes on that one. There's one fine. Reginato, Vilma Alapeo, Billy Stammen, Red getting twisted up. You need 2.5, Surfer in Blue, 2.5.
Siguro pwede mag-charge dyan.
Sarap kayo, ma'am.
Huwag naman kayo mahangin ko no ba? Sir kayo ma'am? Huwag naman kayo mahangin.
Sarap mo, ma'am.
Pila man?
Kuhan, ma'am. Pilang instructor, 600.
I can't wait.
Wala, ma'am. Hindi.
To vlog it. Oh.
My sign.
Oh, you can smell the durian.
Ay, ara. Ay, wala. Naana?
Di.
Oh, pwede na mukha kang mapit. Saray nyo, okay?
Isa.
Tulo ka. The course?
Korean.
Huwag mong wakan yung ano, masakit yan.
I got it. Alright, and then this little. That one's gonna open the next one. Let's go. Whoa.
Uy, lami.
Nice. Oh, that looks nice and fresh. Take a picture of that.
Lami, oy.
Ooh.
Uy. You need to pass the picture that I show you, that I took in your phone when my phone was low battery.
Oh, sige. Is it good, bro?
So creamy.
Oh.
Look at that.
Almost custardy.
Yeah.
It's like against the light. There we go.
Oh my god, I could even finish this.
But the smell is pretty strong. Like if you're not like with it and you just walk into the area, it just hits you.
I don't care.
It's so quiet and peaceful here, no? Alright guys, that's about it for the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next one.